Hi everyone! I have a tutorial for some Hershey bars I decorated. I was inspired by a video from Smile by Holly where she decorated some chocolate bars. I will have a link below. I am using these 6-pack Hershey bars. I will be using Valentine papers from these 6x6 Michael's paper collections. Be My Valentine and Sweet on You. Take one of the 6x6 sheets and score at 2 1/4, 2 1/2, 4 3/4, and 5. Turn and then score at 5 1/4 and 5 1/2. I have drawn the score lines with pen so you can see them better. Now we will cut where I am marking here. We need to make a cut here, leaving these squares attached on one side. Let's burnish the score lines. Let's get one of the chocolate bars. We will need to tuck in these small squares. Take the larger side and make a triangle fold all the way to the second score line. On the other side, fold a little over the score line. I am using glue for this one. I will show you how I decorated it later in the video. Let's work on another one. I am using tape for this one. I think it worked out better this way, so you don't wait to dry. I am putting glue over the tape. Put glue wherever you think it needs it. And pull the paper all the way to the edge. I am going to decorate it. I have some shiny edge satin ribbon and I am going to cut it at an angle. I will use tape and glue. And I am going to place this bling over the ribbon. For this one, I will use pink bling. I started out with the pink hearts, but I decided on the white hearts instead. Coming back to the first one, I'm using gold bling and these heart embellishments with some gold heart stickers. Okay, so here we have these 3 chocolate bars I decorated. They turned out really nice. You can decorate them for any theme or occasion. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.